In this video, I will show you how to fix Liftmaster error code 4-1, which indicates excessive closing force detected. At first, locate the force adjustment dials, typically on the back or side of your garage door opener. Use a flatbed screwdriver to turn on closing force dial slightly counterclockwise to reduce the force. Now, test the door. If the error still appears, make small incremental adjustments until the door closes without triggering the error. If it doesn't help, inspect the garage door tracks for objects like debris, tools, or dirt. Clear out anything that could be blocking the door's movement. Check the rollers and hinges to ensure nothing is jammed or stuck. After clearing, test the door again to see if the issue is resolved. If it also doesn't help, locate the safety sensors near to the bottom of each track. Check if the LED lights on the board sensors are lit. If not, gently adjust the sensors until both lights are steady and bright. Secure these sensors in place and test the door again. If it also doesn't help, unplug the garage door opener from the power outlet. Wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Now, test the door to see if the reset cleared the error. So that's it. These steps should help you fix the Liftmaster error code 4-1 in most cases. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.